the fried lamb chops right there, y'all. Got the collard greens. There it is, y'all. Mojeaux. Oh, it's windy out here, too. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. That's that peach cobbler right there. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here in Mobile, Alabama, man. I don't know the address of the spot, but that's it back there. It's called Mojeaux, right? They got a little music inside, so I'm gonna eat outside, man. So let's go in to see what Mojeaux is all about. I heard this is good food, man. Thank you, Lucia, Leslie, for giving us the hint on this one. Let's go and check out Mojeaux.
You got lamb chops?
I love lamb chops. That's what I saw on YouTube.
Try 'em.
So I should get the lamb chops.
We got an option though. You can get fried lamb chops where you get the collard greens and the mac and cheese, or you can get New Zealand lamb chops where you can cook it at your own temperature and then you get mashed potatoes and the vegetables.
I'm gonna get the fried. Are the fried ones tender?
Yep.
I'm gonna get the fried one. They like lollipop lamb chops?
They like, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the lollipop lamb chops. And you said the collard greens and the mac and cheese.
That comes with it.
This is the menu, y'all. They got jumbo wings, they got the Mojeaux crab cakes, they got the fried ribs. Look, I see some crawfish there, oysters, junk. That's the fried lamb chops right there, y'all. Got the collard greens and got the mac and cheese right there. Thank you very much. Oh, I got salad too. Come on, y'all, let's check it out. It smells delicious. Those lamb chops smell delicious. Look at that mac and cheese. And got the greens. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go right into the lamb chop. Let's check them out. I didn't know whether to get them fried or not because I was afraid if they were fried, they were gonna be tough. These are very tender lamb chops. Wow. That is really good. I'm gonna dip these lamb chops in some hot sauce now. Oh, that's good, man. Oh, that hot sauce is really adding to them. I'm gonna eat that meat right up to the leg. Watch your mouth. Only thing I've eaten is the lamb chops, and I'm happy already. All right, I gotta get that batter that's on that leg. Did I do a good job, y'all? All right, I did a good job, man. That's one down. I'm gonna just put that on the side of the plate. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, right? That macaroni and cheese, it looks like macaroni and cheese that's got like Velveeta on it. You know? Can y'all see that? Don't it look like that Velveeta type cheese right there? It done got a little, It is a little cheesy. That ain't just Velveeta cheese stretching like that, right? Do Velveeta cheese got that little pull on it? That's good. That's good macaroni and cheese. They snuck me with that one. Cause look at this, man. Can y'all tell? Like, look at this. Do Velveeta have that pull on it? That's real cheese, right? Yo, that macaroni and cheese is official. Only thing I gotta try now are the greens. I want another lamb chop first. That one right there is thicker. Right there. Look at that lamb chop, y'all. When you're eating lollipop lamb chops, you need your Carolina forks. Uh-oh, that's the bone right there. That wasn't the meaty side, that was the bone. Whoever cooking these lamb chops, cooking them just right. Oh, it's a fatty piece there. Don't ask me how much it cost yet, I didn't pay. They could be like, yo, them lamb chops $100. I'd have been caught out there. Let's dip that joker in the hot sauce. She's checking y'all, she don't want to be on camera. She knows she won't be, I don't know why she ain't on camera.
No, thank
It's good, it is really good.
you. I'm glad you like it.
Yep,
You need anything?
I don't. Oh, y'all got peach cobbler? We gonna check y'all. Y'all know I don't normally eat dessert.
Let me check for you.
Okay. But if they got peach cobbler, we're gonna eat dessert today. I'm 3 hours away from New Orleans. Maybe that's why the food's getting better. I'm just kidding.
If you don't got peach cobbler, do the bread pudding.
Oh, no bread pudding.
No bread.
I'm not a big bread pudding lover.
You not a fan of bread pudding? We got it.
Y'all got what? Peach cobbler?
Yep.
They got peach cobbler, y'all. All right, please. I'm nervous now though, because first they said they didn't have it. It's got some fatty pieces on here that's close to the bone. See that fat? Y'all know I like fat, but I don't like a whole bunch I don't like a big old piece of fat. All right, let's put this one down too. I'm going for the greens, y'all. I see there's some scallions in the greens. Let's check these greens out. Y'all know I'm kind of funny with my greens, especially with big stems in them. Oh, I see some type of meat in there too. Look at that. Look at the greens, y'all. Wind is blowing the greens. You know what? In my opinion, man, it's hard for people to satisfy me with greens. The greens are a little too salty. The greens are too salty. It's hard for me to be satisfied with greens. They gotta be on the one. Word is born. The lamb chops were delicious. The macaroni and cheese was very good. The collard greens were too salty. That is funny. What kind of cheese is this, y'all? That looked like Velveeta, but it's not. That's real cheese. That ain't that Velveeta stuff. I'm about to eat some salad, y'all. This is very rare for me. I know. That's the peach cobbler right there, y'all. It does look good. No, this is it. Thank you. Look at that, man. That's that peach cobbler right there. It's not that much crust on there. There's a lot. I love the crust, y'all, but I see it look like a dumpling type crust right there. I love peach cobbler, y'all. Check it out. Let's get it out. Let's check it out. It's not that much crust on it. It's got a little piece of crust. That's good, y'all. That tastes like real good homemade peach cobbler. The only thing I'm not satisfied, I love the crust. There's a little crust. Let's see. That's more like the dumpling that I'm always talking about, that peach cobbler should have in it. I need that crunch though. I need a crunch. Let's check out the cream cheese. I'm looking for some crunch, y'all. It's not enough crust. It is really good. The flavor, this definitely is some good homemade peach cobbler. I just want more crust, so. But the ingredients that I taste are delicious, man. It's nice and sweet, but not too sweet. And the dumplings are good. I do love dumplings in my peach cobbler. Yeah. This is good peach cobbler. If I was to rate everything, I would rate the lamb chops at a 9 point something, like a 9.3. The collard greens, I would give them, man. I don't like that. They're salty. I'm not even gonna rate them. They're salty, too salty for me. The macaroni and cheese, I would give a 7. And this peach cobbler, I would give a 7. Because I'm still eating it. I'm not eating them greens. This is good, man. A good flavor in this peach cobbler. Big shout out to Mojeaux. I didn't meet the owner, but I understand that the owner is from this community. Opened up this spot, selling these soul food dishes. Would I come back here? Yes, I would. Would I bring somebody with me? Of course. Oh, we got to check, y'all. The peach cobbler's good. I just wish I had crust.
Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry.
That's the only.
Sure it was good and hot for you though.
That's the only thing is like it came to $49.50, y'all. Lamb chops, macaroni and cheese, the greens, and the peach cobbler. And I got salad with it. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. But you with the right cat now. Love you guys, man. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for liking and subscribing. And I'll see y'all at the next one. Peace. Okay, y'all. This just in. I'm giving the peach cobbler an 8. 8.2. That was some good peach cobbler. I just wanted crust, man. So I'm kind of like bugging because I wanted crust, but it was very delicious.